Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 66 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. And there's a lot of questions. And we read all the questions. And we find the cool, the funny, the myths, and we post them here for you to save you from reading 1,200 questions. So on today's episode, we're talking about how do you pronounce John's last name? See many different varieties. Bringing scooters on board, the new karaoke or karaoke system, VPN on the ship, and hot glue guns. All right, question one. This person said there was a debate in their group on how to pronounce properly John's last name. So I've done it a couple different ways. John, straight from the Yak's mouth, said, healed. As if you were injured and it's now healed. So it is John Heald, not held, not healded, not anything else. John Heald. And he said, thanks for asking that, by the way. And he gets called a hell of a lot worse things on quite a few of his posts. So he said thank you. This person wanted to know if they need to notify Carnival that they're bringing a scooter or a mobility scooter on board. John said, you do not. But I will say, make sure it fits into your doorway, in your cabin, because you're not allowed to leave them in the hallway because, God forbid, something happens on a cruise. It is a safety hazard. So, no, you do not need to notify Carnival, but please make sure it fits inside the room. So this one, they're busy. This cruiser has 9 cruises through the rest of the year. And they're wondering if the new karaoke system is on all ships in the fleet. And John said, yes, it is. They have the new karaoke system, which I don't do karaoke, but from what I understand, it's pretty cool. You type in a song, search it, and it comes up, and then it automatically plays and announces you. And he did say, so it's a little limited right now, but they will be adding new songs that people like to the new karaoke system. That said, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. So this one we've seen a lot, so just kind of throwing an update out there. They're wondering why there is still no VPN available on the ships with Wi-Fi. They work on the cruises, and for their company, they need a VPN. So they've actually had to cancel or not do a couple cruises with some good offers that they get because they have to work during that time and there's no VPN. John said he's going to bring it up again because more and more people are needing this. So they can actually work on the cruise, which, I mean, what better place to work at, I guess? If you have to log in real quick and do something, I think that's okay, but the VPNs are hopefully forthcoming. Stay tuned. This cruiser was in a crafting group. So they have a meetup on ship, and they wanted to know if they can bring a hot glue gun to hot glue stuff together. John said, no. Thanks for asking. But because it has a heating element, they would not be allowed to bring it on board. It would be confiscated if they tried. One thing I thought that was pretty cool, he did say, go see the Fun Squad. They have regular glue because obviously they're putting together all their decorations and this, that, and the other, and they will give you glue for your crafting meetup. So I thought that was pretty cool. Go see the Fun Squad. Get free glue. What else do you get free on a ship? Glue? Apparently. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please take care.